Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will learn about before each and after each in Cypress. These functions help us run some code before or after each test automatically. This makes our test cleaner and reduces repetition. I will show you how they work with simple example. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for more testing tutorials. Let's get started. First, understand about before before each function. Before each function run before every test, while after each function runs after every test. Every test in a test suite. Now, practically, I will show you how you can use before each and after each. Open VS Code and enter here after describe before each and then enter the text here before each. Suppose we want to navigate to the URL before executing all the test. So we can use here visit base website and function here inside we can use site.visit. This is the best website. Before executing all the test cases, we need to open this website. So we do not define to here website URL here. So same as well, we can remove the website URL from here. Now we do not need to define this URL in each test cases. Now save this test case and open the Cypress here npx Cypress open and enter. Cypress is opening. As you can view, Cypress is opening and we need to select the end-to-end. Click on end-to-end testing configured. After you need to select the browser. In this example, we will use Chrome. Click on start end-to-end testing in Chrome and click on basic. Test is running. Now, before each test will be executed first it will navigate to the URL. Here you can view first before each execute and then execute the second test. Before executing the test case, it will open the website. As you can view in this visit the website before each, this function is executed first and then again run this test. After this second test, before each test running. This is the second test case. Click by text. First executed before each and then execute the test case. Same as well in the third test case. First execute before each and then enter the username and password in the password field. Now, I will show you how you can use the after each. Open VS Code and use here after each. In after each, suppose we want to print some text before after executing the test case. So here we can use log result, log result, and then function here. Now use sci.log and print some text here. Test is finished. Test execution is finished. Now, this function will execute after each test case. Let's save this file and open the Chrome browser. First execute the before each and then enter. Here you can view after each print some text log. Test execution is finished in the second test case. After each will execute after the execution of each test case. That's it for today's tutorial on before each and after each work in Cypress. They help us set up and clean up tests easily. I hope this video made it simple for you. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Let me know what Cypress topic you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.